So we're gonna go shoot some video with the drone. Is that cool?
Yep.
Awesome. Do you know where we're going?
Diamond and high school.
Yeah.
I also want to be a karate coach.
Ooh, that's awesome. We're gonna go right out here. Yeah, we'll film from right here. Or take pictures from right here. Alright, so I want you to step back with me.
I want to fly.
Alright, come here.
Can I watch from past this fence?
Yeah?
I can fly from this fence.
Yeah, you can.
Behind you.
I'm coming back there.
Can I have it now?
Yeah.
Can it stand up?
Alright, now pull that trigger again. Very good. Now we're going to go to the left. So if you push that to the left.
This?
The right one. Good. And now we're going to go a little bit tilt to the right. So you're going to push that to the right a little bit. Good. And now you can take a picture. Very good. That looks so good, sister.
Can I just fly around randomly?
Yep. Why don't you get a nice picture of the softball diamonds here?
Okay.
Good. And yep. Awesome shot.
Can I do one while I'm moving?
Yep.
Okay, let me turn this. Hey, how do I fly upwards?
We are already up as high as you can go. It's at 400 feet. So you can go down a little bit.
And stop. Turn it that way and turn it up. And now?
Yeah, go ahead.
Max altitude reached. Really like flying and picture.
Good job.
And I really like this.
All right, I'm going to have you bring it back to us, okay?
Turn. Stop.
Yeah, and you're just going to keep coming this way. Yep, you're going to start coming down.
Where is it?
It is right up there.
Like beside us?
Above us. And to the side.
Here?
So here you can, if you scroll this way, you can see right where it's trying to land. Now keep coming down.
Okay.
Good job. Good job, sissy. You landed the drone for the first time.
Dang.
Amazing. Heck yeah.
Baby boss handshake.
Baby boss handshake. Baby boss handshake.